How to change the brake and signal lights of Santa Fe 2011 to 17. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop open the access panel. Be careful not to trigger the airbags. There are 3 nuts. I use a 13 by 32 inch socket wrench to open them. Just be careful not to drop them into the gap. I recommend loosening them with the wrench and opening the last bit by hand to make sure you don't drop the nuts. Pull the light straight back, but be careful not to yank it too hard. You'll find the brake light and signal light here. Carefully turn the socket to the left to open it. Then turn the bulb to the left and pop it out. I purchased these light bulbs from Canadian Tire. Line up the pins with the gaps and fasten the light bulb by turning it to the right. You can only fit the correct bulb in the socket. Check to see if the light is working before putting it back. Turn the socket to the right to close it. Make sure this pressure pin in the corner is in place, and then adjust the 3 others. Once you've put it back, it won't fall out. You can easily tighten the nuts. Again, use your hand for the first part and be careful not to drop them. Finally, put back the access panel. Please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.